In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. We'll start right inside your Monday.com account on the home page. From here, open the Apps Marketplace by selecting the small puzzle-shaped icon. That icon is your doorway to all the official extensions that add power to your boards. Once the Marketplace opens, you can browse around, but the fastest path is to use the search bar. Type Microsoft Teams and look for the result labeled as a built-in option. That label indicates it's the official integration maintained for Monday.com, which helps with reliability and ongoing support. Open the Microsoft Teams listing and choose Use App. This tells Monday.com you want to add the integration to a specific place in your account. Next, you'll be asked to choose where to install it. First, pick the workspace that contains the projects you want to connect to Teams. A workspace is simply the container for related boards and docs, so choose the one your team actually works in day to day. After that, select the board you want to sync with Teams. Your board is where items, groups, and updates live, and it's what will trigger messages or actions on the Teams side. When prompted for the location type, select Board, because we're attaching the integration directly to that board, then click Add App to confirm. Back on your board, you'll see setup options for the integration. To jumpstart the configuration, choose the Microsoft Teams template and click Use Template. Templates provide a ready-made starting point so you don't have to build everything from scratch. They typically include pre-configured settings and structure designed to send the right kinds of updates to your team's channels. At this stage, the integration is added to your board. You can now fine-tune the settings to match your workflow, such as which updates should post to Teams, which channels or chats should receive them, and how items in Monday.com map to conversations in Teams. If your account requires specific permissions, you may see on-screen prompts during this process. That's expected in many organizations. A few quick tips to ensure a smooth experience. Make sure you have the right permissions in your Monday.com workspace to install apps. Confirm your board is the one the team actually uses so updates are meaningful. And keep your channel structure and Teams clear so messages land where people can act on them. Once you've saved your settings, test the connection by making a small change on the board and watching for the corresponding update in Teams. That's the full setup, end to end. You've connected Monday.com to Microsoft Teams, added the app to your board, and applied the templates so you can start collaborating in real time.